There are two ways to utilize the time that you have for free. For example, during the lockdown, either you could have wasted it doing literally nothing and just thinking that lockdown क्यों हो गया, and other way to use that thing is to actually make yourself worthy of something and constantly grow yourself. The guest on my show today is somebody who has used lockdown to a very large potential and has grown herself to a very high point in her career. Maybe there is a long way to go, but this isn't all. So let's get into the video and get to know her journey through her. So welcome to my show, Titiksha.
Thank you.
I have been planning this shoot for a really long time and finally we got this time.
Yes.
So yeah, introduce yourself to my audience.
Okay, hi guys, I'm Titiksha. So I'm doing my masters in English from IP University and I'm also a content creator on Instagram and YouTube.
That's so good. So where did you exactly start your journey from?
So it was, I guess 2019 or so, I was Tejal Kumar, Larasa and Komal Pandey. So basically everyone was doing the same thing. So I also jumped into it, not because I wanted to, because I saw other people do it. So after that, I mean, the journey just went on. हम ऐसे shoot करते रहे, मैं बाहर गई, करती रही. But it was only lockdown when I actually discovered what I like to do. And उसके बाद ही मेरा जो main journey है वहीं start हुआ.
So lockdown has been very difficult for a lot of people, but for you it has been a game changer.
Yes.
Right.
Yes.
So can you please describe it for
Okay, so
audience?
initially when lockdown started, I was very frustrated, I was very irritated and I used to fight with all my friends because I was someone who used to stay out for 12 hours. Like मैं 7 बजे जाती थी, मैं शाम के 7 बजे घर आती थी. So मेरे लिए mentally थोड़ा disturbing था शुरू के time, but then I decided कि let's do something and I wanted to be a person कि lockdown से बाहर निकलूँ तो I should be more skilled and more creative and कुछ करके ही मतलब मैं lockdown जाए, otherwise it will be wasted. So then I started clicking my own pictures. Then I also learned editing because I never knew how to edit pictures. Lightroom का तो मुझे कुछ पता ही नहीं था. But then I'm glad that I could learn Lightroom. I made my own presets. I sold them. तो ऐसे मेरा lockdown मतलब.
Okay, so what has been the highest and the lowest point in your career so far?
Okay, so basically when I started growing like crazy, I never saw anyone grow on Instagram इतना जल्दी because एक दिन में मेरे को 7-8 हज़ार फॉलोअर्स मिल जाते थे. तो वो मेरे लिए था कि कुछ अच्छा हो रहा है. But then all of a sudden, I mean I won't say all of a sudden, but in October, that was the time when I was also going through something else personally in my personal life. So I was kind of inactive. तो वो थोड़े एक week के inactive उसमें मेरे घटने फॉलो शुरू हो गए. So that was something I never expected because I was at 77k. तो उसमें से I thought कि 80k, 100k भी हो जाएगा, but एकदम से मेरे कम होने लग गए and उस टाइम तो बहुत ज़्यादा कम हो गए and everyone started questioning कि if I bought followers और मेरे fake हैं, सब ऐसे बोलने लगे. And the worst part was my close friends, they also thought that I bought followers. ठीक है, तो काफी खराब लगा. बट सिंस आई वॉज ऑलरेडी इन अ स्टेट जिससे मेरा थोड़ा खराब चल रहा था पर्सनल लाइफ में, तो इतना मैंने उस पर ध्यान नहीं दिया. एंड आई एम ग्लैड कि अभी मेरे आई गेस 50k है, बट इतना कम नहीं हो रहा है एंड थोड़ा थोड़ा मेरा एंगेजमेंट वगैरह सब बढ़ चुका है. तो आई थिंक इफ आई स्टार्ट वर्किंग हार्ड अगेन एंड इफ आई विल बी कंसिस्टेंट तो मेरा बैलेंस हो जाएगा.
That's great. But आपको लगता है कि consistency is one key to actually gain real followers?
Yes, definitely. Because when I started, I remember I started doing reels when reels just came into India. ठीक है, एक week में ही मैंने डालना स्टार्ट कर दिया था. And I still remember my first reel got 10k views. तो तब तो मेरे I guess 7,000-6,000 फॉलोअर्स थे. तब मैंने सोचा कि let's continue doing it. तो मैं करती गई फिर देखा कि उसी कंसिस्टेंसी में रही थी तभी मेरे बढ़े थे. And I also have seen other people who have been creating these kind of videos, haul videos करते थे, but that time they never used to get views and anything. But right now when I see them, उनका consistency की वजह से अब उनका बढ़ा है. तो I feel consistency is important.
Okay, so what is the best and the worst part about blogging?
Okay, so best part would be I could do things which I never used to do when I was in school or when I was in college. I mean, I started blogging in college, but I was not confident at all when it came to dancing or acting or doing stuff on stage, but I always wanted to. For example, when I was in school, I always wanted to dance. I used to see other girls dancing and I so wanted to dance like them, but मेरा confidence ही नहीं था कि मैं stage पे जाऊँ या ऐसा कुछ करूँ. बट आई स्टिल रिमेंबर मैंने अपना फर्स्ट डांस वीडियो फिल्म किया था एंड ऑनेस्टली मेरे को सारे मूव्स मेरे इतने स्टिफ होते थे, बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं होता था. सो माय बेस्ट फ्रेंड वाज फिल्मिंग इट, सो आई टोल्ड हिम टू टर्न अराउंड एंड स्विच द कैमरा ऑन सो दैट आई कुड डांस एंड देन ही वुड सी इट लेटर. सो वहां से ही मेरा स्टार्ट हुआ एंड देन नाउ आई एम इन अ स्टेट कि आई कैन डांस इन फ्रंट ऑफ अ लॉट ऑफ ऑडियंस. तो मेरा कॉन्फिडेंस काफी ज्यादा गेन हुआ है एंटायर थ्रू द जर्नी. तो आई थिंक दैट इज द बेस्ट पार्ट एंड आई कुड डू सो मेनी अदर थिंग्स व्हिच आई नेवर थॉट आई वुड इवन लर्न एंड देन डू इट. लाइक एडिटिंग हो गया, फोटोग्राफी हो गई. ओके, इतना प्रोफेशनल वे में नहीं आता है बट इतना तो आता है कि मेरा काम चल जाता है. And the worst part, it's about getting hate because I was trolled by one of my fellow creators. I would obviously not name her, but she did not like my self portraits and she did not like the way I used to work. And then she started putting up stories against me, and then she started uploading videos on me. So it was kind of different. I mean, I felt special, someone making a video for me, like an entire YouTube video on me. I don't think that video exists anymore, but yeah, matlab, getting hate is the worst part because it's very easy for someone to sit behind the phone and then write something really bad, but you don't know how it affects the person who is reading it. So yeah, I think that's the worst part about getting yourself out on social media.
I also think that at some point when you get so much of hate from anybody, your fellow creators only, you start feeling that maybe you are not doing it right. Your confidence goes down.
Exactly, because whenever I've uploaded dance videos, there are some people who will write, oh, this is not how this move should be, and what are you doing? These are not the right steps. So it does feel bad, but right now I don't care about them because I know I'm learning. We all are learning, and it's a process. Obviously, all of a sudden I won't be all perfect. So yeah, I guess it's fine. I'm used to hate now.
Yeah.
Because you get hate once you're growing.
Correct.
I never used to get hate when I had like 6,000 followers. Us time, even if I used to upload something which is not that good, nobody used to put hate comments. But if you see all my videos which have gone viral, usi mein hi hate hai. So I think it's a good thing there.
Yeah. Okay, one last question. Do you see vlogging as a permanent professional career path for you in future?
I don't know how to answer this question right now because I do earn right now, but that only depends upon the collaboration. So if I'm getting few collaboration in a month, I'm earning. If I'm not, then I'm not earning. So I don't know if this can be a career path for me right now because there are people obviously into this field who are earning a lot. But I'll try, to keep it as my side thing, not as a permanent thing. देखते हैं क्या पता कब बहुत अच्छा हो जाए कि परमानेंट भी हो जाए. So
yeah, so guys, this was Titiksha and I am very very inspired by her because using that lockdown time when everybody was so frustrated to actually grow yourself over something that you have always thought about. So thank you for coming on my show and sharing your journey. I hope और भी ऐसे लोग होंगे जो ये चीज़ करना चाह रहे हैं, they will get inspired. Okay, one thing that you would tell our young generation who want to do vlogging.
I am young.
Like anybody who wait.
Okay,
or
just starting.
Yeah.
I would just say that be a constant learner and try to learn things instead of jumping into something, jumping into a conclusion or trying to be like someone. Just explore yourself and see what niche you are in and what you are good at. Keep exploring. That's all.
Yeah, thank you so much for coming on my show. I'll link all her social media handles down below. Do not forget to follow her and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye.